Okay, good morning to everyone. We're going to continue in this unit number 2, and we're going to talk about health and the body. And we're going to continue with this topic in some of the pages. So now we have next page is okay. The first thing that we have to do is to watch the video. Okay, we have a link here in which we are gonna see what is the video about. Okay, and in this video we are going to see something about a person who is sick and he goes to the doctor, and then we have some question about the visit. It says, write the name of the first patient in the Dr. White's clinic. Number 2, write the 2 general questions when they are sick. Number 3, write the 2 questions in a specific problem. Number 4, can you write the 4 negative adjectives when you don't feel good? Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to watch the video first. And we're going to continue with the vocabulary. You have to copy these words, and you have to look for the words, for these words in your dictionary, because we need to know the meaning of them. Okay, we just have 10: health, hurts, should, plenty, chewing gum, staying home, suggestions, liquids, you will better, aspirin. Okay, so now we're going to continue with the lesson number 1 in our book on page number 41. In this case, we have 3 extra. Okay, we have 4, but 2 of the exercise they're going to be just 1. The first one, we have to match the words for the correct pictures. Go to page 166, look for the meaning of these words. Exercise number 2, read the paragraph about the common cold and complete exercise 2. Number 3, match the column with the numbers from 1 to 5. Now sort it out, in which we have to resolve or sort it out. And number 1, one word symptoms. What does it mean? It was just one word. For example, cough. Then 2 word symptoms. The 2 words. For example, muscle aches. Okay, and number 3, answer the 2 more questions. Now we're going to continue with work on it. You know what is work on it? We have to work a lot in this. The number 1, a common cold or influenza. A common cold or influenza. As you can see, there are 2 terms here. There are 2 words. So we are going to read a paragraph and we're going to see what they are talking about. The common cold or influenza. Number 2, use your own CD to go to page 180, track number 8. To listen and write the question, Mr. Peter asked about Stephen's health. Okay, and we're going to continue in our page number 7. Write the conversation using a model on exercise 1. Hi, Omar, how are you? Oh, hello, Laura. I don't feel very good. What's the matter? Okay, and we have finished with this. So God bless you, and we're going to continue in next lesson.